We are getting rumors and leaks of a Motorola flagship with a 200 megapixel camera sensor since almost the beginning of this year. And until recently, Motorola had not said anything about this phone. What is interesting is that the last flagship by Motorola launched back in December named the Moto Edge X30. That phone also came to the global market but with a different name, so in the global market it was launched as the Edge X30 Pro. Another interesting thing is that the last time Motorola launched a foldable phone was in 2020, so it's been almost 2 years since we got a new foldable phone by Motorola. Well, all of this is going to change on the 2nd of August since that is the day when Motorola launches 2 new phones in China. One is the new foldable phone named the Razr 2022 and the other is a flagship phone named the Moto X30 Pro. The X30 Pro has the codename Frontier, and yes, this is the phone that has a 200 megapixel camera sensor. Today Motorola shared some images of the X30 Pro that give us our first official look at the design of the phone. So in this video, let us go through the design of the Moto X30 Pro. On the front, the X30 Pro has a curved screen instead of a flat panel. There is a hole punch cut out in the center and the fingerprint scanner is also present under the display. Speaking of the things present under the display, the last year's X30 had a variant with an under-display selfie camera, but we don't have any information on whether that is going to be the case with the X30 Pro as well. On the back, we get to see the star of the show, and it is that big camera lens behind which sits the 200 megapixel sensor. This is the Samsung's HP1 sensor and it is a 1/1.22 inch sensor. This sensor can achieve different outputs through the tetrapixel technology. This technology uses 2x2, 4x4 or even full pixel layout depending on the environment. So for example, in the low light scenarios, this sensor will output 12.5 megapixel shots by combining 16 neighboring pixels into one. This sensor can also shoot up to 8K videos at 30 frames per second. It is also worth noting that the Samsung HP1 sensor was launched in September last year, but until now it was never shipped in any phone. So it would be interesting to see how it performs when the Moto X30 Pro is officially out. Finally, Motorola also revealed that the X30 Pro supports 125 watt fast charging. And well, that is pretty much it. The launch is taking place on the 2nd of August, so not a lot of days are now left for the unveiling. Anyways, what do you think of the Moto X30 Pro? Do let me know via the comment section below, and as always, I'll catch you